Welcome, I'm Megan Farrell, here to show you how you can create a little mustard seed library book from our template. So what I have in front of you here is two files open. On the left, our template is open in Microsoft Word, and then on the right, the draft of our book is open in Publisher. So you can draft your little mustard seed library book however you like, whatever system works best for you, but you're going to want to edit the text and set out your images before you enter them into the template. So to open the template, I'm going to look in my files. There's two files, a cover and then the pages that we do separately, but the idea of how you edit them is the same. So once you find the template file and open it up, then I like to put them side by side on the screen so that I can just copy and paste over the text and then find the right image and know what order the images are going in. So to arrange the first page, I'm going to find the text and the image on the right here. You'll notice there's also page numbers, which you don't necessarily want to mess with. They'll be, alternating between right or left for printing purposes. And then I'm going to edit this frame. You'll notice the frame is a lovely update in our new version of the Mustard Seed Library template. So you can just copy the text as we have it and type in your new text. Jesus lived in the region of Galilee. Or you can copy paste if that's easier for you. And then to change the image, I actually have to hide the frame here. So I right click and I'm going to send the frame to the back. Now if you're not using Word, it might look a little different, but you're going to look to send the frame to the back and then replace the image. So in Word, that's change picture. I have all of my images in a folder and then numbered so that I can easily find them in the order that I want them for the book. And then I have to move the picture a little bit to get it in the frame the way that I want. You'll see the bottom of the frame. I'm going to try and line that up so it really emphasizes the boats on the Sea of Galilee in this lovely photo by Pastor Quincy Wheeler. So then I send the image to the back and voila, my frame is in the front again. Now, in our little Mustard Seed Library books, there are multiple formats, right, for how the text and images are set up. So here in our template, if you scroll down to page 4, that has the format that I'm going to be looking for page 2. So how do I get it? How do I move this from one to the other? Really a simple copy paste. I'm going to start with the text. I want to make sure that I'm getting the whole section so that it's formatted correctly. Copying. I use Control-C and then go down to page 2 and select this text through the whole page, right? And then paste again. I'm using Control-V and paste. All right. So I need to delete a couple lines to make sure the page number is there. Page number 2. Hide the frame so that I can see the image. And then the image frame is going to be on the left side. And when I replace the frame, it's going to be framed differently. So first I have to replace the text. Jesus lived in a stone house in the town of Nazareth. And I also had to make sure to add some spaces so that my page number 2 is aligned correctly on the left side. So when I hide the frame again, replace it with our image for page 2. It's already in order in my folder. Oh, and then look at that, it started distorting. So this is a happy accident. I can show you how to make sure that you lock the aspect ratio so that the image doesn't get distorted as you make it larger or smaller to fit your frame. And once I have it aligned kind of how I want, I'm going to test it out, replace the frame. And look, there's some things there on the left and on the top that I actually don't want in this photo. So I'll send it to the back again, and you may have to adjust the location of your images or even the location of your text up and down, back and forth to get it exactly how you want. This is your project. We want it to look as you envision it, using your original images and your original text. So thank you so much for taking the time to learn how to use our template to express your creativity, but most importantly, to support beginning readers with high interest books. Please, once you have your images and your text how you like it, save it as a PDF or a Word document, whatever, and email it to me at learn@mustseed.org. We would love to see what you come up with our Little Mustard Seed Library template. Thank you and God bless.
Little Mustard Seed Library. Short, visual, readable. How can you support struggling readers? Low literacy can have a lifetime impact. High interest books help beginning readers. Enjoy our first 3 little books by Pastor Quincy Wheeler and learn how to write your own. Share them on any device. Spread the joy of reading with Little Mustard Seed Library.